Hi everyone, I'm Eric. Welcome to the new season of Eric's Time. Last season, we showcased the process of psychotherapy. And this season, we're adding the physical element to it. So I'm inviting my good partner, Dr. Harry Ding, who is a traditional Chinese medicine doctor, and we're going to see patients together. So combining the East-West healing model, so we can take care of our patients physically and mentally. And hopefully we can give you guys some useful tools and techniques that you can use to take care of yourself. So stay tuned and we'll see you soon. Hello， 大家好，我係 Eric， 歡迎你哋大家嚟睇我哋新一季嘅源自理心。上一季咧，我哋咧就俾大家睇一個心理輔導嘅過程係點樣。今一季咧係全新面孔同大家見面咧，我請埋我嘅好拍檔丁醫生，我哋發明咗一個中西合璧嘅養生法。咁我哋一齊睇一個病人，除咗照顧佢心靈上咧，就睇埋身體上，所以可以令到病人咧身心健康。希望亦都可以俾到大家觀眾咧一啲實用嘅技巧。咁我哋約定啦，We'll see you soon.